Hello, boss and Bimis. Today, I will focus on introducing T countertop measurement technology. This is a countertop measuring instrument. So later, we will the measurement data of the countertop into our waterjet cutter, and then we can to complete the processing of the countertop. Then we can directly go to the owner's house. We can achieve the whole process of dust-free installation. The measuring device, there are two parts. One is a measuring instrument and a tablet computer. It's composed of two parts. Here is a tabletop shape, a temporary assembled tabletop shape, and we can measure it at will. Measurement. So let's start the first step. Click to run. Okay, this is an automatic scan. Look at this point, which is automatic, a process of collecting data. It will automatically scan. Let's go now and measure it in two sections. Use the data of the second section to measure the countertop on this side. Okay, now we have measured the entire countertop. So let's start editing. To edit a graphic of a countertop. To edit a graphic, let's start editing the graphic. Okay, let's break it. The data of the entire tabletop is out. The whole outline has achieved a precise measurement. We will then conduct a measurement to measure the scale. Then we can edit it here, and we can edit it here. Okay, let's do the remeasurement. Here are 199. Here is 199. Let's take a look here again. Okay, this is 697. This is 697.
来，我们来进行一下编辑。OK。
Okay, it's very convenient. We have successfully realized the generation of this countertop. After confirming what's next, we can use a USB drive to import this into our waterjet cutter, data from the tablet into our waterjet cutter, and import it into our waterjet cutter. Okay. And then go to realize the processing of this water knife. Okay, let's take a look at this. This is a 45-degree cut. You can see that. Here is a 45-degree cut, seamless corner. Let's try the effect of splicing it together. Okay, in this video, the install and processing method of dust-free has been told to you. All friends who are interested are welcome to message me. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you. See you next time. Bye.